Okay, we got a banana. He's peeling it. He's putting a pepper inside.
That's bananas.
What is the point of that? Does it do anything?
I don't know.
Okay.
That was very clickbaity.
Yeah. Okay, so we have some stems here from onions, some chia seeds.
Some might say
What's happened with the previous one?
Ah, that's cool. What? Okay. So we got some garlic in a big cleaning tube. What is
That's
that?
nice. I like this little time lapse.
It's nice. Okay, so we're planting. Is it gonna grow garlic out of it, or
It
what?
should. It's like a little watering facility.
I like the display. It reminds me of like high school science books where they had those little
There we
arrows on
go.
everything.
All right. Grafting.
Grafting.
That's how we call it, please.
I like it.
I like it. It's nice.
Very good.
Boom, and that's how it's done.
Okay.
You got
Oranges and
Wow.
lemons. Same tree. That's bananas.
That is bananas. Do
It's disgusting.
you think it's that easy?
Do you know most bananas are actually like GMO, so they don't have the seeds in them. So this wouldn't work with most bananas.
Interesting.
But if you get like the proper village bananas, then it
Village.
works.
How did you know?
I know that just because you can open a banana and see it, and then if you look at how bananas have evolved in like the past 100 years, you can see the shape, that everything is completely different because they've genetically modified the bananas.
That's an awesome story.
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna pay more attention to my bananas.
Yeah. Do you know if your bananas don't fit the perfect banana shape, they won't accept them when you're importing them in certain countries.
Interesting.
Yeah.
So what happens with the rejected bananas?
I don't know. They stay in the country that they were made, probably.
What a waste.
I know. Well, I mean, people in the country could probably enjoy them too.
They're not allowed.
Just for old
Not a
No one can have these bananas. They're the wrong shape.
Exactly. What's she doing with that?
That's nice. I feel like it's not necessary, but it's nice.
Ooh.
It's getting thick, boy.
Jack and the Giant Beanstalk.
Yeah, basically. Is that a true story, by the way? Because I never.
Of course,
knew.
it's a true story.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Wow.
That's nice. We like that. Does it not need any soil?
Apparently not. I think the roots just grow in the foam, and then you can replant it.
Here's the
Neat, and then you
go.
can spread them to different
Exactly.
plants.
Spread the love. Spread the joy.
Spread the plants. It's Day of the Triffids all over again.
That's
And
it.
now some animation. No.
Ooh.
No animation. Tooth floss? Okay, don't actually floss your teeth.
Piano
Floss your
wire.
plants.
And just... There we go. Just like
Hitman.
Just like Hitman. Yeah. There we go.
Oh.
Ah, we got a cactus. Oh, why'd you touch it? Oh, she has gloves on. It's okay. I thought her hands were super pink.
Pinky hands. Oh, she's grafting a succulent on top of a cacti.
I feel like that's illegal.
Right?
That
some
shouldn't be
gene
allowed.
splicing, right?
Gene splicing. Ooh.
Okay. That actually looks tasty.
It looks really good, actually. Have you had cactus water before?
I have not.
I have
No.
tested it. And
Mojave
it's...
Desert?
No, you'd think that it like makes you hallucinate. That's what you see in like the videos and stuff. It doesn't.
Okay.
It just tastes kind of bad.
That's ayahuasca.
Ah, okay. Interesting.
From a scientific point of view.
Oh, what? You can't do that to a carrot. Pomegranate, best
What?
fruit of the gods, amazing fruit. People complain because they're like, oh, it gets messy, blah, blah, blah. No, you're just not
Seeds,
doing it right.
It's too much. The seeds.
No,
and
it's
all
good.
The pips, just ugh.
You need to be careful, Jess.
Yeah.
Just squash it somehow.
No, you have to
Remember
eat it.
that hack we did with the syringe? You put it the pomegranates in and you just squash
Ah, yeah, just
it. It's a bit of maintenance, but it works.
yeah. Dragon fruit. If it weren't so expensive, I'd buy it every day. Love it.
It's fruit of the gods.
It's well, no, that's pomegranate.
Do you think that'll work?
Okay. So this is how you
Buy
grow
one and
your
grow
own.
more, yeah?
Ah,
Save money.
Stonks. Oh, that's
How
nice.
it's done.
Ooh, mushrooms.
Snake.
This was a snake?
I thought that was a snake. Or
I
was
didn't
it a
notice it.
badger?
Ah, I think it was a badger.
Whoa, that's
Seriously?
not how you grow fungi.
I don't know. I'm
I don't
a
believe
pretty
that.
fun guy. I think I could do it.
Oh,
I put
snap!
him Sorry, the whole internet.
What?
How did? Because mango, the seed in the middle or whatever you call it, the pip,
The pit, yeah.
never comes out right. It's always covered in other mango stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So how did they do that so easily?
That's the question.
You need to write it in the notes.
Yes, I'm gonna complain to the mango manufacturer.
Let me put that on my planner.
Okay, you got it.
Yeah. All right.
You have a really advanced planner if it's just on your hand.
Set for next week.
Okay.
5:30.
Oh, pretty flower, nice. Okay.
Maybe not.
Ah, okay.
Alright.
Mm,
All right.
That's so fake.
That's definitely real.
That was so upsetting to watch.
Why?
Because it was CGI.
Do you think that's manure?
That is definitely manure. I actually helped make that manure.
Ah, interesting. Let's harvest that stuff.
All right, water bottle. Someone's pouring something into it.
Asian beans.
Mystery liquid.
Interesting. Have you ever tried Caucasian beans?
I haven't tried Caucasian beans.
Caucasian beans?
Yeah, these are Asian beans.
Okay. What do they do? Oh, they sprout.
Ah, they look like lentils.
Ooh.
That's nice.
Nice.
That's really nice. Do you think it's healthy?
I think it is
Yeah.
healthy.
Probably healthy.
Captain, what was that cartoon? Captain
Planet. Captain Planet! Yeah.
Yes.
That's
He's
sponsored by Captain Planet.
You think that guy's still alive?
Oh yeah, for sure. He's a cartoon, so he's eternal. Oh, okay. Planting some tomatoes.
Uh-huh. It's a race.
I don't know how I feel.
the
Is
right
this-
one's winning.
That's not real. I can't. No.
It's just demonstration.
Okay, it's just
No.
demonstrate. I'm sorry. I'm just a little cynical sometimes. Okay.
Okay. Shove those seeds in that gash.
Oh my gosh. Okay. They're using a sponge to make plants.
Yep.
Okay, that looks pretty good.
Just for one plant.
Yeah. This avocado
gonna
thing
use
never
this.
works. I always open an
Actually
avocado.
worked for me.
No way.
Really?
You made a whole
What?
avocado.
I tried
Serious?
to sprout
Where is
it,
this
but then-
avocado?
But then it just died when I planted it.
Yeah,
into-
exactly.
Yeah, but it worked. It did actually sprout
Yeah, but it doesn't go anywhere.
because it has no legs.
True.
Definitely. So,
Because it has no legs.
This little pepper.
I don't know, man. My washing machine doesn't have any legs, and it's still running.
It's
at
going
home.
places. Oh my god. Is your fridge running?
Yeah, that's the joke. No.
They're talking about washing machines.
Yeah, it's the same. Appliances.
So,
Ew,
white
fish heads.
are they gonna grow fish? I guess.
Who decapitated the fish? Come on.
That was also me.
No, we never.
So they're regrowing a fish.
Why are they doing this?
Organic vitamins.
I feel like you didn't have to put that fish in there.
They
man.
alive! It's a Venus flytrap.
Ooh.
I
I always wanted
scared
one.
it.
Oh.
Oh, okay.
Two different types of people. I'm so scared of it. I always wanted one. No, they used to give them away as prizes in elementary school. Yeah, like to the person who did the best in class, and I was never that person. So.
Alright. Stick it in there.
Okay, so we got a nice.
Alright,
okay.
That's how you
Just to
replant.
absorb the water, right?
Yeah, to repot
Transplant.
your stuff. Just,
Easy to transplant.
Why are you putting hair in there?
Fertilizer.
I don't believe you. That's just dirty. Why? What's the science behind putting
That
hair in
makes
your plant
no
pot?
sense.
Okay, eggshells. I can.
Imagine you have to sit there and actually get that perfect cut on each egg.
Yeah, that's not gonna be too easy.
No.
I made eggs this morning. They were fantastic, by the way.
Sunny side up, sunny side down.
Sunny side sideways, actually. And they didn't. I didn't put any plants in them afterwards because I'm not a psychopath.
Ah. Improvement.
Ah.
So, okay.
Alright. Ooh, what a shot.
Ooh, I can't. That's so satisfying, actually. That gave me tingles for some reason. Don't judge me.
Cut the rose head off.
Okay.
And it's sprouting.
It's sprouting. That's beautiful.
Blossoming.
Oh,
Oof.
that's an old strawberry. They could have got a newer one. Come on, guys, get it together.
Alright, what is she doing?
Do it without it.
Because it's covered in seeds, right?
Interesting.
Isn't it like the strawberry isn't actually a berry? It's like something else.
It's a Strawberry?
No, okay.
Right.
All right. I see I'm
All right,
talking
man.
with trained experts here.
Wow.
Radish.
Boom. That's how it's done.
Bada bing, bada boom.
I had a friend named
Exactly.
Rarish, and we used to call him Turnip
Huh.
because
Whoa!
whoa,
Did
it's
you expect
huge.
That was
that was
nice.
pretty cool.
All right, give us more.
More reactions.
Slower!